Hey everybody, it's Jack. I have such a great story for you this week. You're gonna love it. Hey buddy! What? Hey, hey buddy! You're doing these stories every week, right? Clucky, I'm right in the middle of making the video for our friends. Hey, you kids, wait a second. Do you no, would you stop interrupting me? No, listen, you listen to me. You do a story about a shark. You do a story about dinosaurs. You did a story about a cat. You haven't done one story about chickens. If you would stop, why don't you? If you would listen, this week we're doing a story called Interrupting Chicken. You see it? It's a good book. Got it from the library. Shiny by David Ezra Stein. All right, I'll listen. All right, thank you. It's rude to interrupt. But wait, I got one more question. What is it? What's on your shirt? All right, you want to see what's on my shirt? Okay. Let's see. Stand up here for a second. It's What is that? What? Joy Cleaner? Who's this guy?
You're a very rude chicken. You're always interrupting.
I'm leaving. Goodbye. Sorry about that, folks. All right, we do have this book. I'm excited to read it. It's called Interrupting Chicken. And it says, look, it says, this book is called Interrupting Chicken, right, Papa?
Yes. Now please don't interrupt the story.
Inside, it's light blue. It's a nice, soothing color. Light blue. Alright. Let's see what this is about. Alright. Interrupting chicken. Ooh, that looks nice, huh? Interrupting Chicken by David Ezra Stein. Some nice wallpaper. And there is 2 chickens. And it says, it was bedtime for the little red chicken. Okay, my little chicken, said Papa. Are you all ready to go to sleep? Yes, Papa. But you forgot something. What's that? Asked Papa. A bedtime story. There he's carrying the chicken. There's the bed. Big pile of books. That looks like my apartment. Except I don't see any pizza boxes there.
bedtime story. This sounds good. All right, now the chicken got into bed, and here's Papa, and he says, "All right, I'll read one of your favorites. And of course, you are not going to interrupt the story tonight, are you?"
Oh no, Papa. I'll be good.
Do you think the little chicken's going to be good? Or do you think he's going to interrupt? What do you think he's going to do?
I think he's gonna interrupt.
What? You said you were going to... Oh, Hansel and Gretel. You know this story? Hansel and Gretel were very hungry. Deep in the woods, they found a house made of candy. Nibble, nibble, nibble. They began to eat the house until the old woman who lived there came out and said, "What lovely children! Why don't you come inside?" They were just about to follow her when...
Out jumped a red chicken, a little red chicken, and she said, "Don't go in, she's a witch."
Look at that. That old woman and Hansel and Gretel are scared. So Hansel and Gretel didn't. The end. Chicken.
Yes, Papa?
You interrupted the story. Try not to get so involved.
I'm sorry, Papa.
But she really was a witch. Well, you're supposed to be relaxing so you can fall asleep.
Let's try another story. I'll be good.
This is the story of Little Red Riding Hood. "Take this basket of goodies to Grandma," said Little Red Riding Hood's mother. "But don't stray from the path. The woods are full of danger." Red Riding Hood skipped along through the deep woods. By and by, she met a wolf who wished her good morning. She was about to answer him when...
Out jumped our little red chicken. The chicken said, "Don't talk to strangers." So, Little Red Riding Hood didn't. The end.
Chicken.
Yes, Papa?
You did it again. You interrupted 2 stories. And you're not even sleepy.
I know, Papa. I'm sorry, but he was a mean old wolf.
Yes. Now get back into bed. Okay, Papa, but let's try one more, like a little story. I'll be good. I'll be good. What do you think? You think the chicken's gonna be good this time? You think the chicken will be good for Chicken Little?
Chicken Little? There's a chicken story inside a chicken story?
Would you stop interrupting?
I'm sorry, I'll be good.
Chicken Little was hit on the head by an acorn. The sky is falling, she thought. She was about to run off and warn Goosey Lucy, Ducky Lucky, Henny Penny, and everyone on the farm that the sky was falling when out jumped a little red chicken. And she said, "Don't panic. It's just an acorn." So, Chicken Little didn't. The end. Chicken. Yes, Papa? You did it again. Oh, Papa, I couldn't let that little chicken get all upset over an acorn. Please, read one more story. I promise I'll fall asleep. But Chicken, said Papa, we're out of stories. Oh, no, Papa. I can't go to sleep without a story. Then, said Papa, yawning, why don't you tell me a story? Me tell a story, said the little red chicken. Okay, Papa. Here we go. Bedtime for Papa by Chicken. Once there was a little red chicken who put her papa to bed. She read him 100 stories. She even gave him warm milk. But nothing worked. He stayed wide awake almost the entire Z. What? Z. What's going on? Papa? Good night, Papa. Did you like that story? The end. Oh, I thought that was a nice story. First, the chicken was interrupting, and the papa was trying to read her the nice stories, but she kept interrupting. But then what did you think about? Hey, buddy, but what did? Wait, you wanted to hear a story?
Wait, what I miss? What I miss? What I miss?
You missed the story about
What happened in it?
I'll read it to you later. Okay, we gotta say goodbye to everybody. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. See you next week. I'll see them next week. I don't know that you'll.
I'll see you next week. Tune into Clucky's Yuck Yucks on YouTube. I have my own.
Would you get out of here? Okay. Bye, everybody. Take care. See ya.